Did you know that organizations with strong operational excellence programs achieve 25% higher productivity, 20% lower costs, and show 3x higher customer satisfaction rates? Yet surprisingly, 60% of operational improvement initiatives fail to reach their goals. Organizations struggle with inconsistent processes, wasteful practices, and inefficient workflows that drain resources and diminish competitiveness. Many companies face increasing operational costs, quality issues, and customer dissatisfaction due to process inefficiencies. Despite implementing various improvement tools, organizations often fail to create sustainable operational excellence cultures. At the front line, professionals feel frustrated by redundant work, unclear procedures, and firefighting mentality. Teams become demotivated by constant bottlenecks, quality issues, and missed targets. Many experience stress from working harder rather than smarter, while continuous improvement opportunities go unnoticed. This comprehensive program transforms operational challenges into breakthrough performance. Through hands-on applications, real-world simulations, and proven methodologies, participants learn to identify, implement, and sustain operational excellence initiatives that deliver measurable results. The program provides mastery in essential areas including process optimization, Lean Six Sigma principles, quality management, and change implementation. Participants develop crucial skills in problem-solving, waste elimination, and performance measurement while learning to build a continuous improvement culture. Organizations witness dramatic improvements in operational performance. Efficiency increases, quality improves, and costs decrease as streamlined processes take hold. Companies experience enhanced customer satisfaction through consistent, high-quality delivery of products and services. For participants, the impact is practical and immediate. They develop expertise in identifying improvement opportunities, implementing solutions, and measuring results. Teams benefit from clearer processes, reduced frustration, and increased job satisfaction as they contribute to meaningful operational improvements. Transform your operations from good to excellent. Move from reactive problem-solving to proactive performance optimization. Register now to master the principles and practices that drive operational excellence. Your journey to world-class operations begins here.